Many thanks for the feedback you give about the factory here. It really motivates your feedback. Regarding your question, considering the bigger CC motorcycles to be produced here in the Philippines, of course, we as KTM definitely consider also to consider big CC motorcycles in the future. But of course, first of all, we need to do market researches, market studies, that we have the right product coming into the market here in the Philippines. But like you mentioned, the 690cc, for example, could be a perfect prototype on motorcycles also in the Philippines. But of course, we do now the first step with the motorcycles up to 690cc, and we will see what the future will bring up in the next couple of months.
Anyone else?
We have, as you can see, we have enough space. If we want to build more, we can.
Okay.
Is it expected to start the export to China by the end of this year and continuing to other ASEAN countries next year?
For the 40% local content, it's 40% local or ASEAN content. And these are non-engine related parts. So some of the parts that are being localized would be the seats, some of the rubber parts, the sprockets, the batteries, the tires, among others. So we've already identified these. We are already finalized our negotiations with the suppliers, thus making the Philippines a very strong hub in terms of supply chain. Because you're only as strong as your supply chain if you wish to be able to export these models abroad.
For the China market, we consider the 250cc motorcycle and the 790cc motorcycle. That has also to do with China motorcycle regulations coming up, and now ABS motorcycle will not be allowed anymore in China.
The percent requirement in order to be able to export is just a minimum of what our strategic focus is. In the future, we'd like to internalize and complete the supply chain as close as possible within the region and in the Philippines.
It's really what KTM stands for. And my colleague Julian will explain the details of what KTM stands for. But KTM is a bike that is ready to race. You have all the best components already installed in the bike. You have a lot of technological innovations that are state-of-the-art put on the bike that is right beside me. For example, this bike beside me has LED lights with a heat sink in the middle. It also has a digital display that interacts with your cell phone. It also has a horsepower that is not met by any other motorcycle with this type of displacement here in the country and in the world. So this particular bike has all the components one needs to have in order to be ready to race. Right, Julian?
Yeah. So there is that KTM, what it stands for, it stands for Purity Performance Exclusive Adventure, or KTM. And more or less what Dean was mentioning really falls behind what Purity stands for. So Purity is only putting things in the motorcycle and not just for championships. Or velocity, everything from the dealer level all the